Okay, I'm going to show you what my barbecue chicken looks like in the T-Fal air fryer. It's the extra large family size. Usually it helps you make food for up to 6 people, and it does a great job. Set at 200. Got it at 200, moved it down to 160. Okay, so I took them out of the fryer for a minute just to check to make sure that they're cooked. Oh, they look good. A little browner on the bottom, but that's from the barbecue sauce. Oh, they look fantastic. So if you want to eat barbecue air fryer chicken, it's the way to go. They're delicious. Alright, here's the air fryer chicken, barbecue chicken, just barbecue sauce on it. All cooked, ready to go. It's very delicious. Hope you give it a try. I probably had it for about half an hour because it was kind of cold when I put it in there. About 160 to 180 Celsius for your chicken to cook it. Thanks for watching.